This year, SME Banking Club partners with Alternative Finance Forum, and we are here in Thessaloniki for 2 days, April 26 and 27, to participate and discuss how digital tools and data can enable and speed up access to SME finance. Alternative finance is becoming more and more important for that segment, and actually becoming one of the most realistic sources of finance for SMEs, as we do see that traditional lenders like banks restricted their credit policies. Here, during the panel discussion, together with the panelists, we discussed how the digital tools and also new approaches can enable and speed up the access to SME finance. Katalin, you are the ambassador of the e-invoicing integrated into the banking and financial services, and we discussed today how the e-invoice data can accelerate SME finance. Could you please summarize why the invoice data was gold for the banks?
Yeah, it is gold because you can make money on it.
Yeah.
And with like gold, you can make a bracelet, you can make a ring, or you can make a necklace. And invoice data, you can use it for payments, for financing, for risk modeling. You can digitalize your processes, so it has various use cases, and you can make money on it. So that's why it's the same as gold.
Carol, we do see that the factoring is becoming a real source of finance for SMEs, for micro segments and SMEs. And what is your opinion, except the invoice data that we discussed already? What will be driving the development of the product in our region?
I think the future digitalization of the process is the key part here, because as I see the factoring industry in Poland, for example, only few factors are delivering right now the full online process, and only few of them provides half digitalized process here. And looking at the data, at the estimations, as I see the growth of the factoring industry, for example, in 2022, it will be about 20%, and it's estimations that by 2030 it will be over 6 trillion euro. So it will be almost double compared to today's data. So I think there is a big piece of cake to be covered there. So I think the future for factoring is bright.
Yaroslav, you represent Ninja Lender, who gives actually the new chance to the rejected SME loans. Please tell us more. What does it mean exactly and how do they work?
I would say that our solution is not focused only on SME loans. It can be used for any loan type. And what we did, we created a B2B platform to gather applications that got rejected, analyze the data, and match these applications with other partners on our platform. And this allows the borrowers that were initially rejected to get alternative offer. That's the basis.
Okay, thank you.